Lionel Andres Messi was born on June 24, 1987, in Rosario, Argentina. He was the third of four children in a working-class family. His father, Jorge Messi, worked in a steel factory, and his mother, Celia, cleaned houses. They didn't have much money, but they gave their children all the love and support they could. From the time Messi could walk, he had a football at his feet. At just 5 years old, he started playing for a local club called Grandoli, coached by his father. People quickly saw that Messi was special. Even though he was very small, he had amazing control of the ball, incredible balance, and vision beyond his years. At the age of 8, Messi joined the youth team of Newell's Old Boys, a club in his hometown. He scored goals almost every game and amazed everyone who saw him play. But when he was 10 years old, Messi's life took a difficult turn. Doctors discovered that he had a rare growth hormone deficiency. His body was not growing like other children. The treatment was expensive. Messi needed daily hormone injections, and his family could not afford the cost for long. They asked for help, but the local clubs didn't have the money. Just when it seemed like his dream might end, Messi got a chance. In 2000, when he was 13, FC Barcelona heard about him and invited him to Spain for a trial. He amazed the coaches. On a napkin, the sporting director Carlos Rexach wrote a contract offering to pay for Messi's treatment and bring him to Spain. Messi and his father moved to Barcelona, while the rest of the family stayed behind. It was a big sacrifice, but Messi never looked back. At La Masia, Barcelona's youth academy, Messi worked hard and impressed everyone with his dribbling, creativity, and vision. He didn't speak much, but he let his football do the talking. He rose quickly through the youth teams, and by the age of 16, he made his debut for Barcelona's senior team in a friendly match. In 2004, at just 17, Messi played his first official match for the Barcelona first team in La Liga, becoming one of the youngest players in club history. He scored his first goal in 2005, and people began to see that this young Argentine was going to be something very special. Messi grew stronger, faster, and smarter each season. He formed a deadly partnership with stars like Ronaldinho and later Xavi and Iniesta. In 2009, under coach Pep Guardiola, Barcelona had its greatest season ever. Messi led the team to win 6 trophies that year, including La Liga, the Champions League, and the Club World Cup. That same year, Messi won his first Ballon d'Or, the award for the best player in the world. He was only 22 years old. Over the next decade, Messi continued to break records. He became Barcelona's all-time top scorer, scored the most goals in a calendar year, and won multiple Ballon d'Ors. Messi's playing style was unique, small in size but huge in talent. His quick feet, low center of gravity, and humble nature made him a fan favorite around the world. While his club career was full of success, his international journey with Argentina was more challenging. He lost 3 finals in the 2014 World Cup and the 2015 and 2016 Copa America. After the 2016 loss, Messi announced his retirement from international football. But the love from fans brought him back. He said, "I love my country too much." In 2021, Messi finally achieved his biggest international dream. He led Argentina to win the Copa America, beating Brazil in the final. It was an emotional moment for Messi and his fans. Just when people thought his career couldn't get any better, in 2022, Messi led Argentina to win the FIFA World Cup in Qatar, his greatest achievement. In the final against France, Messi scored 2 goals and calmly took a penalty in the shootout. Argentina were champions. Messi had completed football. That victory confirmed what many already believed. Messi is the greatest football player of all time, the true GOAT. In club football, after 21 years at Barcelona, Messi moved to Paris Saint-Germain, PSG, in 2021 due to financial problems at the club. There, he continued to shine and win titles. In 2023, Messi joined Inter Miami in the United States, bringing excitement to Major League Soccer, MLS, and showing that his love for the game never stops. Off the field, Messi is known for being quiet, humble, and devoted to his family. He is married to Antonella Roccuzzo, his childhood sweetheart, and they have 3 children. From a small boy in Rosario who needed medicine to grow, to a global icon who made the world fall in love with football, Messi's story is one of talent, sacrifice, and heart. If you were inspired by Messi's journey, and you enjoy learning English through real-life stories, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment.